The main thing that inspired me, I think, was the facilities and the varied approach to actually learning music. You can go and learn like a music A level and learn all the theoretical aspects of it, whereas here you'll learn stuff that's actually more current and like applicable to the industry today. Being in the band rooms and having fun, experimenting with new sounds and new ideas and things like that, you know, you don't get many chances in music to just sort of mess about and find things, as opposed to, you know, working on something where college sort of facilitates that. I'm studying at Leeds Conservatoire. I'm in a band that are just setting up over there. I'm further into my craft now than I ever have been. My biggest challenge probably was sort of finding my own sort of sound and what I wanted to do. It's sort of easy to just go, oh, I want to do music, but you've got to actually find exactly what it is in the industry that you want to do. Coolest thing I've done so far has been going down to Abbey Road just last week, speaking to an A&R rep from Atlantic, discussing where you can take this as a career and how much further we can take it. The teachers here are great and they will help you get along as far as you need to go. But really it's down to you and finding out how you do things and the right ways to do things for you. If I had to put my experience at Manchester College in one word, it would be varied.